everybody, this is Proceed from Bulletproof Music and Tech Extra. Today guys, or this morning, I'm about to show you another way, or a way to get free MTN data, MTN calling minutes, voice minutes, what else in general guys, or fundamentally I'm about to show you how to get free MTN kicks, what is used to be called MTN waves. Okay, let's just jump right into it guys. First of all, let me play some music so that I'll keep myself accompanied, excuse me. Okay. Let's see. Okay guys, what you need to have, or what you need to do, is to write down this secret code, this one guys, we're gonna use this one. Say copy. From there, what you need to do with this code guys is to go to your keypad and paste it. From here on, okay, let me just try to move this one up. From here on guys, what we need to do is delete the hash. First of all, let's just start with this one. This is a starting point guys, with this code. From there you say 7 to subscribe. From there you say 2. You have reached the maximum amount of subscription service available. Please try again tomorrow to cancel it. Okay. Since I've already used this min to get free kicks guys, I think I'll be able to use it sometime later. I'm not sure when, but I've been trying to use it to continue from where I've left off, because they can only allow you up to 12 up to 12 subscriptions. Yeah, that's what I was looking for, up to 12 subscriptions guys. So let me go on and show you how to do this guys. Anyways, from there you paste the code again. You say 652 hash. Yes, you are going to carry on with these increments up until you reach 9. Say 4 per second. You have to notice something guys, that they keep on changing these numbers. The one that you use for the screen prompt numbers, they keep on changing them. I don't know for what particular reason, but it doesn't matter. What you need to notice is that, or to keep in mind, is that you always look for the word accept and the number next to it. See, because you don't want the cancel one. You don't want to use because there's accept and there's cancel and then the accept. So you don't want to cancel, are you? Because you want to get free kicks. So let's go on. Let's carry on with this. From there we go to 3. Then you say yes. From there you see this time is 5. Send, subscribe. See, this time is 1. Accept. Okay, we keep on going on. 65. Then it's going to be 654 hash. Yes. Then this time around it's 8. Okay, and then we say it's 8 again. No, they randomize these numbers. Maybe they do randomize them, or maybe they don't. Maybe it's something that happens systematically, and automation. It has to be something like that. Then it's 655 hash. then 6 to subscribe, then 6. Okay, you carry on doing this, guys, up until you reach 659 hash. Then it's going to be 656 hash. 7. Okay, go back, say 6-5, then it's going to be 657 hash. Then it's going to be 1, 5. Okay, and then it's going to be 658. By the way, guys, do not mind that that message they keep sending back or shooting back to me that says you have reached your maximum what, because I've used this trick before. Now I'm waiting to continue with my increment from where I've left off previously. So we say 4. Okay, now we're going to say 659. This is where we end with 65. See, let me say, okay, do not mind this message, guys. This one that says yellow, you have reached the maximum amount of subscription services available for your number today. Please try again tomorrow, or to cancel dial *155 hash. Do not mind this message, of course, guys, because what it does, what it says to me is that I've already done this, and they can detect that. You see, I'm trying to force my way into this again. I think I have to wait for the dust to cool down. Then I will try again, maybe some let's say maybe 3 days or 4 days after, because they are not mentioning in particular on which date or day am I supposed to carry on subscribing or to try again on. So do not mind this, guys. From there, what you need to do is you see, after *651 hash, you are going to increment this 5. Now it's going to be with an incrementation. What I'm trying to mean is that with each number you add 1 going upwards. You see, if we were to decrement, we were going to add 1 going downwards. So instead of 5, we're not going to add, we're going to subtract 1 going down. We're going to be 4, 6, 4, 1, 6, 4, 3, 1. You get my point? So now we're incrementing, which means we're going upwards. So we're going to say 6, 6, 1. 6, 6. It's 661 hash. Then you carry on with your kicks. Of course, after finishing those the previous one that you are going to get, then you will carry on saying 66. I'm not even sure what number was it. Was it 5 or what? I'm not even sure. Okay. But the gist, guys, of what we're trying to do here, I think you have already grasped it. From there, in order for you to continue using this way or get free kicks, what used to be MTN words, you say 6, 6, then you continue increasing these numbers up until you reach 9. From you come back, then you come back again, you say 6, 7, 1 up until 9, and then you come back again, you say 6, 8, 1. You see, up until you reach 9. Okay guys, just to show you that I did receive something, I did subscribe. Here, here's this message. With my my first winning was 100 megabytes. My second winning was 50 megabytes. Then my third was 100 megabytes. In total is 250. Let me not forget to mention that there was also I've won another chances for me to kick. I think it was they gave me another three kicks, you see. So that's how I managed to get the last 100 megabytes. So guys, this trick is working. I wouldn't show you something that isn't working just for me, to push some video in some YouTube channel or whatnot, guys. It does work. What I'm trying to figure out now is after how many days are they going to allow me to continue using that, because I can't wait for me to use it. Not that I'm not browsing an internet right now currently. I am browsing, I am using that, that trick with Opera Mini, guys, that I've showed you on those 2 previous videos. I am still using that one, but I mean, if they can able to give me, or if I can get myself some free data like this, why not continue use it? Because these people are sitting on top of our necks, guys. They are breathing down on our necks, guys, with these high tariff charges out of these data. You get my point? You see, everything is expensive in South Africa. The only thing cheap about South Africa is the life that we live in as the native people of South Africa, and the rest it's expensive, guys. I mean, they are trying to take it far now to take that to the to the outskirts of the rural areas. You see, now they're trying to push in that kind of high standard living out there as well. But it's okay, man. I mean, if Nelson Mandela failed us, how are we going to get past something like this? But Aluta continua, guys. Let's keep on using these cheats, you see, and get ourselves some free internet. Okay, I think right now, guys, that's about it. This was Proceed, representing Bulletproof Music and Tech Extra. Don't forget to subscribe, guys. Hit like if somehow we got assisted out of this video, and of course don't forget to tell your friends that it's going down, guys. Okay, ciao, guys.